5. These are originally OTIS elevators. There you go.
There's only one more.
I guess so. What floor?
9, please.
That's where I'm going up to. I'm going back down anyway because I'm going for a ride.
3, please.
3. Oh, sorry. No problem. No problem. Here we go. OTIS.
You're pushing on the way down, okay?
That happens sometimes when you hit like the outer door.
You're ready to go.
Floor up.
Fourth floor. Going up. Going up.
So enthusiastic. Car G5. These are originally manufactured by OTIS Elevator Company. These elevators. From 350 to 400 feet a minute vertical speed.
Yeah, we zoomed.
Yep, have a great day. Yep, I'm just going for a ride though, by the way.
Oh.
Another buff. You have a great day, okay?
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. First floor going down. Just do a quick cab view frontward. I don't know if you can see it. There's Big Brothers on the right side of me. Okay, this is not right. It's gonna shake a little bit. That's alright. Still has that Autotronic love light. So I wonder if the stations are still original. There we go. It's got that Autotronic love light. First floor going up after you.
That's for me, I think. Yeah.
Yep, me too.
Third floor.
There you go.
You're welcome. And that's it.